Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, as you can see, I'm in my walk-in closet. I thought, you know what, let me just show you around. I think you've seen it before in one of the vlogs that I did. So I'm gonna walk you through to see what I've got. Well, it's not that much anyway, but let's jump into it. I am going to give myself a lot of work, and I want to take this other room as a project. So I was thinking to do a few changes. Let me just show you guys. This is the situation right now. So as you can see, this is my makeup stationery right there, and some I don't know, just undergarment. And in here, well, actually I just removed my beddings on the other three bottom drawers, and I only have my products there. I am going to do this, and so I was thinking to do a few changes. So let me walk you through, okay? This PAX and this PAX is the same measurements. These are 1 meter, both of them. So what I want to do is to move 2 drawers and put them here, and this shelf is going above it, and so I can make more hanging space, and the bottom hanging space I will remove it and put it in here. So because a lot of my dresses are in this corner PAX, and my dresses are a bit too long, and I have a few other ones that I have it on a rack, so I want to redo all of it. So this will be in the other corner, and this I will move next to this one, and the other one with shelves, it will be next to it. The shoes will come on this side, and with this one I will redo everything, and my makeup will go here. So this will be all makeup and extensions, etc. I'm not sure what I want to do with my bags though, where I'm gonna keep it, but for now this will be the new layout. Coming along. I am so not done. Still need to put one. See, I'm too tired, cannot even talk. I will finish this tomorrow, but for now I deserve shower and bed. It's 10:30. This is how it's gonna look like. I need to rearrange this, and I need to rearrange this. Okay, let me start this side. Well, I put the light that I had in the other wardrobe. I put it here, and I really like the I love how light it is. So I think I'm gonna get a few more for each wardrobe that I have to make it more light. So what I did here, I color coordinated from white to black to, I don't know, each color. And as you can see, I'm a really colorful person. And here, let me just grab this so you can see. It's really long still, but this is how I want it to be. And I have 2 drawers there with my bras and everything. And right next to it I have 3 drawers, and I put my jeans in there and some other sweaters and my shawls. And right here I have all my bags. Well, this is all that I have, you guys, so don't judge me. Anyway, so right here I have my sweaters, some of my sweaters, and my blouses and tops, etc. I still need to do a few color coordinating and to see how this will be, but I started with the sweaters right there, and then the blouses in the middle, and white blouses as well, and then tops, and going to black tops. And then right here, well, this is the thing right now, because I have a gap in between, so I'm not sure what I want to do with it. I think I'm gonna get another wardrobe to put it here, and I will remove this to put it on the other side, and the mirror will be gone as well. So I have all my African clothes there, my t-shirts and my house clothing, the dera, I'm not sure if you are familiar with that, and some of the dresses that I'm not even using them that much, and some other tops, crop tops, etc. And these are my house wearing sweaters. And right here, this is the corner wardrobe, and I've put my denim jackets and some blazers, all of the blazers. And right here I have all my trousers and skirts, all of that. And then the hangers, I still have a lot of hangers, but as you can see, I have transitioned into black hangers, and these are Ikea hangers, all of it, by the way. And the rest I'm gonna put it downstairs. And on the mirror I still have, on the window I mean, I still have to put something else and remove these curtains. Anyway, so these are my 2 laundry baskets, also from Ikea. This is a shelf from Ikea. I'm not even using it, so I was thinking to remove it and to put it downstairs in my storage. And next to it I have my iron board and the laundry hanger or whatever, and my yoga mat. So on this side I've put all my shoes, and I still have a few shoes in the hallway in a cupboard. And then next to it, this is my makeup stationery. Let me take this so I can show you. Right there, my makeup stationery. And so I still need to figure it out how to what to get so I can organize this nicely. And I've put everything in this corner, as you can see. But and you guys, I am almost out of perfumes. If you don't know what to get me, you can always get me perfume. Anyway, so these, all of it, my goodness, how can one have so many makeup brushes? But yeah, so these are Ikea. It's actually for the plant, but I I loved it. I was like, you know, I have so many, so let me just put my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders. I need to wash these, and all my testers. I have it here. Anyway, so here I have, I'm not even gonna open this to show you, but it's just a lot. Let me just open one. I have my makeup palettes and all the junk in there, my masks and all of that. I still need to get something to get all of this inside. My what is this? My hair products and my lotions. So the rest is a history. So this is my walk-in, guys. I still need to figure it out how to put everything else, and on this side next to my shoe cupboard, I'm not sure what I want to put it there, because when I remove that shelf Ikea thingy, I'm not sure what I want to put. So maybe if I buy another wardrobe, then I can put the narrow one on this side, and then have more hang space, and perhaps I can get drawers. So the clothes that I have on this narrow this one, I mean, all the clothes I can put in the drawer. So let's see how that will turn out. At this moment, I'm not even going to Ikea, to be honest, or order something, because I'm still waiting on my order, and it has been 6 weeks already. It's so busy, and since I don't have a car, I cannot go grab new orders, because you need to stay in your car and they will bring all your stuff to your car. So I'm just gonna wait out. And one thing I haven't shown you guys is these. I need to see where I can put all my hats. I can stash it, I'm not sure where, but I'll figure something out, because I didn't want to put it on the, wait, I want to leave this wall free in case I want to take pictures or something. This will be really good and ideal, and I don't know where to put that, so I will see. And in my bedroom, I'm redoing my bedroom as well, as I mentioned before, so that video will come very soon as well. I'm not done, and I want to be really done in order for me to put content out there. Otherwise I'll just have half things. Anyway, so everything else that I don't use it in this room, I will put it downstairs in a storage. I really have a big storage, like I think it's as big as this, and this room is 13 square meters. Yeah, this is it. So let me know down below if you have any tips and tricks and organizers, if you find it somewhere, I don't know, and I'll try to link a few things down below. And as everybody know, these PAX wardrobes are from Ikea, so basically everything is from Ikea, except my clothes though. And I am trying really hard, but I fail. I want to put more neutral colors into my wardrobe, and as of now I only have like 5 sweaters, jumpers, as British people will say. So let's see if I can grab new neutral colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. I will link here my Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. There is a lot to come, and for now, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.